SkoutLab is your AI data team. It explores your data, generates hypotheses, validates them with code, and delivers actionable insights, all automatically. Most analytics tool, most AI data science chatbots, ChatGPT, you name it, they wait for you to ask questions or type in the prompts. But you can't ask about problems you don't know it exists. That is why we brute force discovery. Human intuition is biased. SkoutLab isn't. We test every possible correlation, thousands of them in your dataset, to ensure no signal slips through the cracks every day and every night. Hey, let me walk you through SkoutLab. Here's where you start from. This is your home base. You can see your latest reports, quick actions to start a new analysis, and any schedule task you've set up. First, we need to connect your data. SkoutLab supports multiple data sources. You can drag and drop CSV files directly. They're stored securely in your own isolated cloud volume. Or you can connect to cloud databases like MotherDuck, like here. In the near future, we'll be integrating more cloud databases, such as Snowflake, BigQuery, and so on. Just enter your credentials, test the connection, and then you're ready. Once connected, you can view your data here. Now let's start to run analysis. A new analysis. First, you need to select your data source. You can use your uploaded CSV files or a connected database. For now, we'll be using the uploaded CSV files as our data source. You can type in something you preferably like to know about your data, or you can leave it blank. For now, we just start analysis for just once for this time. The AI team gets to work. First, explores your data schema, understanding what table exists and how they relate. Then, it starts to generate hypotheses. These are testable questions derived from your data source. Since we use a very detailed brute force approach, it might take some time, but it will not take a very long time. Just we'll see you in 5 minutes. This is the one we use here. We used in a previous analysis. Insights are automatically grouped by topic using AI clustering, and you can filter by category or search for specific findings. Each finding includes a hypothesis, the verdict, confidence score, and interactive charts generated during the validation. Charts are built with Plotly, fully interactive. Zoom, pan, or export, and you can see a larger view of it. And for the demo, we only show 100 hypotheses, but you can easily scale up to thousands of them. That's SkoutLab, your data explored and validated by AI, with actionable insights derived autonomously. Thank you for your time.